Well, good morning, students. We will discuss about the 10th standard examination point of view. Well, here the main diagrams and their labeled parts in the fourth section. Now, first diagram is an datura flower. Well, first of all, you may represent that the LS of datura flower. LS of datura flower stands for longitudinal section of datura flower. Coming to the datura, its common name Ummetta Puvu in Telugu. Well, what is the scientific name of datura? Datura stramonium. Well, coming to a neat labeled diagram of datura flower. Well, first of all, students, first highlight the outer line or border line of a given diagram. Don't waste your valuable time in the examination point of view. Well, now, first, this is the diagrammatic representation. Well, afterwards, you want to mention the labeled parts of a given diagram in a sequential manner, either in right side or left side. First of all, this one is an pedicel. Pedicel, pedicel. The swollen part is said to be thalamus. Next, the colored one is called as calyx or sepals. Next, the different colored of the pigment. The different colored is said to be corolla or petals. Well, the both are non-essential organs. Well, the next one, the third one, the first whole of the flower is said to be calyx or sepals. The second whole of the flower is said to be corolla or petals. It is different in colors of different in flowers. Well, the next one, this one is the which one? Anther. This one is the filament. Well, the anther and filament is said to be androecium. Remember, students, all of you, androecium or stamens. Next, this is the androecium is third whorl of the datura flower. Next, coming to the which one? The fourth whorl of the datura flower. The upper tip is said to be stigma. This is said to be style. This is said to be ovary. This is said to be ovules. Well, only there are three parts in the female: stigma, style, ovary. This is called as gynoecium. Remember, students, all of you, gynoecium or pistil. Gynoecium or pistil. Well, students, this is the diagrammatic representation of longitudinal section of the datura flower. First of all, pedicel. After you completed the labeled parts, whether you are going to reading or practicing the labeled diagram, you want to know each and every labeled parts of a definition. Well, pedicel is called as the stalk of the flower. The stalk of the flower is said to be pedicel. The stalk of the flower is said to be pedicel. Above the pedicel, the swollen part of the pedicel. A swollen part. Here, once you can observe, students, all of you. Once you can observe. The swollen part of the pedicel is said to be thalamus. Next, the first whorl of the flower, it is green in color, students. Don't maybe confuse. It is green in color. It is said to be calyx or sepals. Well, next, after the first whorl of the flower is calyx. The second whorl of the flower is corolla. It is different in colors in different plants. Well, it is corolla or petals. Next one, the third whorl of the flower is androecium. It is a male, students. Androecium or stamens. It may be divided into two parts, anther and filament. It is said to be androecium or stamens. The fourth whorl of the flower, stigma, style. This is its complete ovary. This is the ovary, students. Inside the ovary, ovules are present. Well, here it is said to be female. This one is a female. Once you can observe, students, all of you, this is the male attracting ones. Well, here stigma, style, ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules are present. This one is said to be gynoecium or pistil. Well, this is a diagrammatic representation of given labeled parts. This is the completion of longitudinal section of datura flower.